What is cloud computing? Have you ever wondered where your photos go when you upload them to Google Drive? Or how Netflix streams millions of movies instantly around the world? The answer lies in something called cloud computing, a technology that quietly powers much of our digital lives. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services such as storage, servers, databases, networking, and software over the internet, instead of relying on a single physical computer or local server. Rather than owning and maintaining expensive hardware, users and businesses can access these resources on demand, anytime and anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. At its core, cloud computing works by using massive data centers filled with powerful servers. These data centers are operated by companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. When you save a file to the cloud or run an online application, your data is processed and stored on these remote servers instead of your personal device. This allows for greater flexibility, speed, and scalability. One of the biggest advantages of cloud computing is scalability. Businesses can instantly increase or decrease their computing power depending on demand. For example, an online store can handle millions of visitors during a sale without crashing, then scale back down afterward. This would be nearly impossible with traditional on-site servers. Another major benefit is cost efficiency. Cloud services usually operate on a pay-as-you-go model, meaning users only pay for what they actually use. This removes the need for large upfront investments in hardware and maintenance. Updates, security patches, and backups are often handled automatically by the cloud provider, reducing technical complexity. Cloud computing also enables collaboration and innovation. Teams across the world can work on the same documents in real time. Developers can launch new applications faster, and startups can compete with large companies using the same powerful infrastructure. However, cloud computing is not without challenges. Concerns around data privacy, security, and internet dependency remain important issues. Despite this, cloud technology continues to evolve, becoming more secure and more integrated into everyday life. In simple terms, cloud computing transforms computing from something you own into something you access. It has reshaped how we store information, build software, and connect globally, and it's only becoming more essential as the digital world expands.